Today, we are going to draw a tall giraffe. Are you ready? Step 1. Let's draw 2 ears sticking out to the sides. Now, let's draw the head. Connect the ears with a soft, round square. Let's draw 2 tiny dot eyes and the horns. Giraffes have very long necks. Draw a long line going all the way down. Let's add the legs. Draw 4 long square shapes at the bottom. Now, let's finish the body. Draw a slanted line to close it up. Don't forget the tail. Draw a little line at the back with a small circle at the end. Last step. Draw some squares all over the neck and body. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.